Going to Bangkok anytime soon? Here's a quick tip on where to stay. Vince Pratunam is perfect for the shopaholic traveler. It's a 10-minute walk to Pratunam Market, Platinum Fashion Mall, and Central World. 20 minutes by car to Chatuchak and Icon Siam. Once you enter its lobby, you are welcomed with refreshments, light snacks, and a quirky Western design that uses Thai accents that will surprise you. Checking in is a breeze. English is spoken by most of the staff, especially the front desk personnel who didn't ask for a security deposit, but be ready if they require one just in case. There are plenty of rooms to choose from, 238 to be exact. There's a Superior Twin Room, Superior Queen Room, Deluxe Twin Room, Deluxe King Room, and the Family Room. All rooms with daily complimentary bottles of water, coffee and tea, an electric kettle, a mini ref, a flat screen TV, a safe, a hair dryer, complete toiletries, and a hot-cold rainfall shower, and a very fast free Wi-Fi connection for all your social media needs.
Tour tayo sa room. Dali. 2314. Automatic yung aircon. Banyo. Yes, may bidet. Tignan mo yung shower, may rainfall shower head. Tapos, social ng mga shower gel, they have their own. May kompleto naman yung toiletries. May hair dryer pa. Ito, may TV, it's a 32-inch TV. Ang daming salamin. It gives it an illusion that it's actually bigger than it is. But standard-wise, mas malaki siya than regular rooms around Bangkok. Ganda, malinis, mabango, hindi amoy bulaklak, but amoy malinis. May tubig. Uy, may welcome dessert. Tsaa, kape, creamer, hot water, lalagyan ng yelo. May mini ref, and yes, may tubig uli. May mini safe. Dalawang robe. And may payong para paglabas natin the next few days, pag-ikot natin dito sa Bangkok. Samahan niyo ako the next few days.
The daily buffet breakfast is also available in the hotel, which is quite substantial with many choices like fruit, juices, bread, pastries, cereals, and Thai and Indian dishes. Then, there is a decent-sized swimming pool overlooking Pratunam, a 24-hour front desk, a vending machine when you get late-night munchies, a free covered self-parking area, a complimentary 24/7 buggy service to the Platinum Market 7-Eleven.
Actually, maganda tong Vince Pratunam. It's small, it's in the middle of everything. It's well appointed. Ang ganda ng mga gamit. It's very classy actually. It's a small boutique hotel. I'm pretty sure you'd like it here.
This is why Vince Pratunam is one of our best finds in Bangkok. The warm and friendly service that makes you feel like you're home. For more travel tips, please like, comment, and subscribe to The Happy Pinoy Traveler.